What's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome back to Best Family TV. Today we're having
barbecue chicken, mashed potatoes, and string beans with almonds.
we're going to say grace and get started.
Most heavenly grateful Father, we give you all the glory, honor, and praise. Thank you for another day, another opportunity to share a meal as a family. May we use this meal to nourish our bodies. In Jesus Christ's name we pray, amen.
Amen. Well, guys, we're back. We posted like how many times already?
What you mean?
Like every 3 days now?
No.
Not even that?
Sure don't.
I post when I get it out.
Start.
I gotta post that challenge. Oh, they canceling Simon Cowell. What he do?
Okay. Gabrielle
They don't know who she is.
Union,
Oh.
she was taken off of, what is it, Got Talent?
I didn't even know she was on there.
Get out of here. See what? Why?
Because her hairstyle is too black.
What?
Oh, that's why that was trending. I joined in.
They need to sue. She could sue.
I joined in.
That's crazy.
I post my challenge on here.
That
It's a screenshot. Where is it?
because her hairstyle is too black.
Mm-hmm.
Where's that? It was a hashtag that was trending because of her black hair challenge,
Wow.
and I joined in. Different hairstyles.
That's why I said, it don't matter how much money you make, how big you are, it's always somebody ahead of you, and it's always the opposite.
I didn't know why that was trending. I know now. I just joined in because it was number one.
And when they want to knock you down, they knock you down. That girl, now for real, I could see if she did something. But because of her hairstyle,
That's how they did Zendaya.
And it's not even just that. Which one is that from the, which one?
Light skinned girl, she was on Disney Channel. Mixed girl.
She was she was a singer or something?
Yeah. Temporarily. She on Euphoria now. That new show.
I know you're talking about. They was talking about her.
Mm-hmm.
And it's mostly the women that they get rid of and then they bring somebody else in.
Yeah, they got her because she had them 4 locks in her head at that time.
and this is when all them stars should stick together and everybody walk out.
Well,
Man.
what's his name? That's hosting it?
Who?
Nick?
Mm-mm.
I'm not hosting no more.
The one that be popping his chest?
Oh, Cole. I mean, I know what you're talking about.
Is Terry Crews?
Yeah, Terry Crews. He was wondering what he gonna do about it.
Nothing, because they put money before anything, and my thing is, you rich. You're not hurting for money.
You don't know that.
Come on.
She did a good job on that
She
show.
sure did.
I ain't know she was on there.
Mm-hmm.
Because she's the one that was crying when,
Mm-hmm.
was it the blind person or somebody?
Mm-hmm. When he was saying,
Mm-hmm. And who else was on there? Kyle or somebody. Who else was on there as a judge?
Mr. Mondale, what's his name?
Howie.
Was on there one time.
I thought it was a major somebody on there.
There's some other guys on there too.
No, because it was 3 or 4 judges. But I forgot who the judge was.
But they don't change out so many times though.
That's crazy.
Oh, some hair.
So that's why they probably canceled it. So you didn't know why?
Mm-mm. I knew it had something to do with her because they had her picture up there, but I didn't know what the challenge was about. Like while she was trending.
But why they making it a challenge?
To show that we should be
Because-
appreciated for our hair.
Mm-hmm.
It was number 1 too.
Yep. That was it.
The challenge should have been everybody stop watching that show. Boycott it.
You know they still want to knock us down.
Yeah, but we let it.
No, it's not that we let
We
it.
do.
Mm-mm.
That was a white person. It'll be all over the
It's
news.
not that we let it though.
It would be all over the news.
It was on the news.
White people would boycott. All them stars would get together and start boycotting and everything.
Baby, it just started. Don't know where it's gonna end up at.
Crazy. Cause that's like we ain't got no pull, cause we got the top 3 or 4 actors and actresses in Hollywood right now.
We do what it is.
Well, the top women are, you got Halle Berry, you got that other lady,
Every time she in a movie, somebody getting
the
kidnapped.
what's called lady, the black lady,
No shade.
in Murder She Wrote or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
You got what's her name that played on the Washington thing? What's her name?
How to Get Away with Murder?
No, she was the
Yeah, that's one of them.
Vivian. Pope.
Oh,
Pope.
Olivia
Washington.
Pope.
And
Kerry
then,
Washington.
as men, you got Denzel, Will, Samuel, and Morgan Freeman. You know, Denzel commands 25 per
25 what?
million. Will 22 and a half. Them boys is making it.
No, I'm good.
Okay.
I don't know what.
So,
My pants tight around my stomach. Can't fit nothing else.
but yeah. That's crazy, man. To let that woman for her hair. I mean, so many bad things going on, and you doing her hair.
Well, she won't be on there. She won't be on there, no.
Well, they fired her, right? So of course she ain't gonna be on there, but I'm just saying. How can you call somebody to your office and say we letting you go because of your hair? That's discrimination
Her hair is too black.
101. I mean that right there, you gotta say something else.
How was it? It was in braids.
She wore them braids at one time. Then she had a little bang with his back down in the back.
So what's she supposed to wear? Weave, long hair?
It was weave. Her hair is short.
Probably straighten it.
No, what
She
I'm
had
saying.
weave in there.
You're supposed to wear it long down to your back.
Baby, it was natural looking.
That's more natural to them. If you wear your hair straight down to
If it
your
was
back.
straight, they probably would have been
Right,
okay
that's
with
what I'm saying. Come on. Assume they don't be saying, well, we can't hire you because your butt too big. You got a black butt.
it. No, they'll like that. They
Or
don't
black
say that.
chest.
Huh?
Black chest. Your chest too big.
Yeah, I think 90% of them got
so,
fake.
so
So
you can't, or your lips too big, so you can't.
I don't say that either.
Come on, man. Ridiculous. And they probably did this just to see if they can get away with it. Cause believe me, if they get away with this, watch they get away with. Watch you saying no, they ain't gonna do that. Watch they do
They
it.
don't get away with it. Because she's too intelligent. She's very intelligent. They're not gonna get away with it.
Yeah, but they can blackball her like they did Monique. And say, hey,
Monique just talk too much.
you start any more trouble, you'll never work. You'll never work in Hollywood again.
She just Hollywood. That's what that is. After she lost that weight, they were like, she need to get her weight back.
And then they go,
So yes. You so silly.
That's what they said.
that is so freaking crazy.
It seemed like it. Said ever since she lost that weight. You've had your experience with her.
With who?
Monique.
What about her?
She Hollywood.
Monique is being for real. Why would you pay that girl that much money?
Want to see Monique in nothing.
And Monique has been the pioneer for black women as far as comics. Matter of fact, comics period, female. Monique has gross. One of the highest, has grossed more than some men comics.
But
Forward.
let me ask you a question.
So
How long
she
before?
deserves that.
How long before
Oh, before what?
this young lady, this girl got it?
Who?
Who am I, Amy Schumer?
Amy Schumer? Amy Schumer just came out about 2 years ago.
No.
What do you mean?
But
Of course they're
Monique
gonna
is
offer
more
more
old
about
school.
numbers.
Huh?
She's more old school.
Monique will sell out way before Amy Schumer will.
With old stuff. I don't understand Schumann, whatever her name is anyway. I don't understand her jokes. It's not funny to me.
Well, whatever they do,
I
I'll wait
think
till it get out on YouTube
with
and
her-
Netflix.
It's more, let me take that cake out. With her, it's more just like that big fat guy that died, the white guy, what's his name?
Yeah,
That's like them, because they do stupid stuff.
you fool. Hey guys, he's baking a cake. That's why he keep getting up.
So, that's crazy, man. Oh, that bothers me. I don't know about that. Bothers me for real.
Don't let it. It's too old.
Because she's been up straight. You don't hear too much about her. Only thing you heard about her is something about tossing salads. Gabrielle. So,
When she said that,
what? She's been said that when she got married to the one. Because he tossed the salad.
but that ain't got to do with what we talking about.
I'm just saying that's the worst thing you heard about her.
Oh.
You don't hear bad things about her. You don't hear about her getting drunk and showing out. You don't hear about her fighting. You don't hear about none of that with her.
But you know what they don't like? Because she's
When you
standing
know
by,
too much.
What?
and then she's standing by his her husband's son.
What about it?
Cause he's gay.
He gay.
The young one.
You know that.
You didn't know that.
That's what this picture was about. They had another picture with him standing there. They took a photos for Thanksgiving, and he had a pink scrunchie around his arm.
Okay, that don't mean nothing.
But
You
he is. She went
because
with him.
he-
Listen,
Yeah.
she went with him to the Pride.
Okay. That don't mean nothing these days neither, because these young guys today,
Who
they
they both supporting him.
You're supposed to. That's your child.
That's right, and that's the point.
okay. But anyway, yeah, I guess.
But you gonna kick him under the bridge because of that?
No.
You guys will put your thing in.
He's still my son, but I'm not going to no gala, none of them other things. support you. I mean, I would never say, no, that's not my son or my daughter. Or I don't love them.
Alicia Keys said her son.
Huh?
Her son went to the nail salon. He wanted rainbow nails, and he was worried about the other kids picking on him. She was like, it shouldn't be like that. He's 4 years old.
Well, I mean, look at okay. You see these white kids. They come in the stores. They in their princess costume because they let them dress because to me, you let kids express themselves when they're young, then they won't be scared to express themselves when they get older. Like when
They won't be frowned
when
upon.
Chanel was 3 years old, I just said, go get whatever you want to put on it, and believe me, it was sometimes I was like, oh Lord Jesus, don't let nobody see me. But I didn't care. That's her. Wear what you want. I don't care.
What she had on?
Huh? She in the winter, she had on some shorts with some boots, with a coat and a baseball hat. My baseball hat, and it was big and over. I was like, Lord Jesus, look at this little girl. Then sometimes she would wear her princess costume. Sometimes she would wear whatever. Whatever. Only thing I said is make sure you put on some underclothes and a t-shirt. That's it.
I wanted to be Shadow one year.
Okay.
A hedgehog.
Hey.
Y'all know who Shadow is. I'll put the picture up here somewhere.
Yeah.
Shadow the hedgehog.
But and for me saying that is because a lot of black parents, when they go out like to the stores and stuff, they want to dress their child, and you ain't wearing that. No, you
That's for girls. That's
you ain't
for
going
boys.
out there with me. And no, that's your child. Hey, it's a child. Let them wear what they want. Let she wear what she want. You know, I'm like, go ahead, bro. That's on you, sister. That's on you. Yeah.
But yeah.
So he liked it.
When they was young, if they wanted to dress this, didn't want to wear what I took out for them, I let them wear it.
Because Saeed wore his sister
But they
pants.
wore a badge saying I dress myself.
No, I wouldn't even do that.
When?
I wouldn't do that.
Since when? I don't remember that.
I'd be like, go ahead.
Uh-huh.
And I dare you. Now, when you
How
went to
old was
school,
we? I don't remember that.
that's different. Because, you know what I mean? Because I'm trying to show you have to dress for success. Because school, it was like you going to work. You have to be in the proper attire. But when the weekend came,
Attire.
I did not care what you put on. One day I woke up, Sai said, come on, let's go to the store. I looked, I thought I was drunk. This boy had on them girly tiger pants, because he liked his sister pants. And like, look at this motherfucker here. But we went. People was looking at him, but I said, I dare you to say something to him.
There you go.
How old was he?
About 7. Even like when we was kids. Now, don't take this wrong, people, because this is just my family. Now, I ain't saying, and I didn't see it being strange, and I never did. But never lock the bathroom door.
Why?
Because if you had to go to the bathroom, like if one of my sisters or brothers in the shower or something, and you had to go to the bathroom, you just went in the bathroom. We never, even our room doors, I have, you know how many countless times we done seen each other. It's just because that's your sister and brother. You don't think, because if you think like that, then something wrong. But I mean, it was just normal. My mother.
The thing is,
Jesus.
if that
Wait,
stop, if that
no, I'm
door,
finished.
if that door is shut, that means that you want privacy.
Understandable.
That's not for you to walk in the door.
Understandable.
You have to be.
But again, we're kids, so what kind of privacy you have
No.
as a kid? Ain't no privacy as a kid. Maybe in your house, but in our house, I wish you would.
No, you still all. If you close the door, that means that
Okay.
you're not to come in.
I understand that, and again, that's like I said, for each his own. In our house, you closed that door. The door came off the hinges. You ain't closed no door in our house. As a kid. Now, when I moved out, and they would come to my house, my door closed, you bet I wish you would. But, there, no.
Okay, guys. Dinner was good.
Go on now. He keep on getting closer.
I want to thank
Baby.
each and every one of y'all for subscribing.
Go sit. Uh-oh.
I guess that's how cute to call it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you
Give us a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, show the friend, family member, binge watch, follow us on Instagram, links in the description box below.
Okay, you say the same thing. Because you got to learn it. Say it.
You gotta learn it.
Say it. Say it.
No, you said I already said thanks for
I
watching.
don't. You know doggone well. I ain't.
You
saying
gotta practice
nothing.
it, Mom, for
You
real.
gotta practice
I'll
that.
practice it some other time.
Say it now.
Thanks for watching.
Wow.
Mom,
For
she
real.
gonna learn it, y'all.
Really?
She gonna learn it.
Cause that day you was what? That
You keep forgetting two things. I think it's
notification.
notifications and share. That's what you keep forgetting.
Well, that's
And follow
good.
us on Instagram. That is.